this is going to be our Thailand vlog. I was actually in Thailand with this property in Bangkok called Avani Hua Hin. They hosted us for 5 days. It was like a wellness retreat with so much workout, wellness treatments, massages, good food and stuff. It was my first international travel, and if you want to see the reels, I'm gonna like link it below or add it here if I upload it on shorts. My sister is joining me from the next half of the trip, and the first half was all about wellness, the second half is all about masti, proper travel. Excited to see her. I've missed like family. I've been so disconnected this entire work trip because I was busy shooting content and stuff like that.
बिस्मिल्लाह तवक्कल तो अल्लाह का पूरा टाइम अपडेट देना, मैं पूरा टाइम रहूँगी ऑनलाइन में इंशाल्लाह।
ओके,
मेरे को देते रहना।
Hi guys, this is Miss Cam and आप सबको ऑलरेडी पता होगा कि अल्फिया थाईलैंड में है and I'm joining her for the trip. It's no surprise, but I have my flight from Mumbai to Bangkok and I'll directly meet her at the Airbnb. If you are wondering what our itinerary looks like, this is exactly how it looks like. हमने 3 spots cover करना है हमें. One is Bangkok, then we'll go to Chiang Mai and then we'll go to Phuket and then back home. We didn't want to like keep it a long trip, but we have kept like a few days here and there so that we make the most of all the places. अपनी seat belt बांध लीजिए. It's gonna be a fun ride.
Swadika. And I have reached my Airbnb, reunited with my sister, and before we mess up this place, let me show you what this Airbnb looks like. Now that I'm ready for my first touristy day in Bangkok, I'm wearing this plaid dress एंड उसके अंदर मैंने वाइट शर्ट पहना है. दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम क्लोफी. आई टैग इट. सो आई डू माई मेकअप इन द कैब. बहुत लेट हो चुका है. एक कैफ़े का अपॉइंटमेंट था जो हम नहीं जा पाए बिकॉज एवरीथिंग जस्ट गॉट डिलेड बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रैफिक. बैंकॉक ट्रैफिक इज़ बैड यू गाइज. इट्स रियली बैड. सो अभी प्लान ये है कि सबसे पहले हम खाएंगे बैंकॉक की बेस्ट मैंगो स्टिकी राइस. हमारे पास 5-6 जगह हमने क्यूरेट करके रखी है. उसमें से हम एक जगह पे जाने वाले हैं. I'm gonna leave it right here, the name of it. The thing with sticky rice is that it can go 2 ways. Okay, if you eat at the wrong place, you'll be really disappointed and you'll wonder what is the hype about. But if you eat at a good place, it's gonna stick with you for life. So let's see, let's go. I am all ready. We're asking our lady driver to give us some recommendations of mango sticky rice. What was it?
It is K.
Panish?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is in our list. Okay, we've done good research basically. Okay, we paid about 120 for this. It has 2 full mangoes and the coconut milk was warm and stuff. It's so good. Oh my god. Generally so wholesome. I love it. There are so many mangoes. बहुत अच्छा quantity मिला है. And there was like a huge queue outside. I think it hits different with Alfonso mangoes, but अभी season नहीं है, क्या करें?
What are your thoughts? It's so good. I was waiting for this moment where I come to Thailand and I have the mango sticky rice. हमने घर पे बनाया था, but I think this is so good.
After the mango sticky rice, we are now going to Smile Bar in Bangkok. It's basically like a teeth whitening studio. I don't know why, but मेरे को इतने साल से teeth whitening try करनी है. I feel like being in this industry, you're just so extra over analytical about every feature of yours, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि even though I have like really good aligned teeth is what my dentist friend told me, but I'm like कुछ तो करती हूँ ना, कुछ तो. So it's basically like a 20-minute teeth whitening scene जिसमें वो लोग assessment करेंगे पहले. फिर उसके बाद there'll be like a टीथ वाइटनिंग प्रोसीजर बिफोर आफ्टर देखेंगे क्या है क्या नहीं, एंड केयर कैसे करना है उसको, ये सब बताएंगे. इट बेसिकली कॉस्ट 2399 बात, जो इंडियन रुपी में ऑलमोस्ट 6200 है, या अप्रॉक्स. बट फर्स्ट लाइक एक सेशन के लिए एक्सपेंसिव है, बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू ट्राई इट. एंड तुझे पता है बैंकॉक इज़ फेमस फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज कोरियन कलर एनालिसिस थिंगी, मतलब सब कुछ होता है इधर.
Something that I wanted to do, but teeth whitening is not on my like, bucket list.
They do
Honestly,
like,
that's something that you can get it done in Mumbai as well.
I know, that's true, but
लोग यहाँ पे आके कराते हैं. is
या
what we
यहाँ पे
say.
आके a lot of people do beauty treatments like कोरिया, मतलब वो 10 step है, spa होता है,
ये सब में डाल देंगे ना पैसा.
and very nice micro blading they do, eyebrows, nails, they are so सस्ता इधर. So beauty treatments I feel कोरिया में overpriced है, but यहाँ पे भी they are, it's like good machinery, it's not that famous and it's affordable. So let's try and see how it goes. Before the trip I need to give a facial to my teeth.
लाडू तो जो बेटा गायब ही हो गई है. तुम्हारी फोन क्यों चल देखना है बेटा.
देखो
लाडू भूल गई यार.
अरे मम्मी टाइम ही नहीं रहता है यार, हम लोग को कंटेंट लेना था, फिर उसको एडिट करना था, फिर इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज होती है. फोन, हाँ
सांस लेते हुए मैसेज भेजने का मम्मी ने.
मैंने काकू को भी मैसेज नहीं की कुछ भी, सिर्फ काम से रिलेटेड कि हाँ ये एडिट कर दे वो एडिट कर दे. आई नो, बट मैं आपको सुबह बेची तो थी, आप मेरे को बोलते थे कि बेटा ज़कात की सदके की नियत कर दे, मैं वो लिखती थी यस. फिर आप लिखते थे सदके की नियत कर दे, मैं लिखती थी यस. बस उतना ही कॉन्वर्जेशन.
कैसा लगा काकू को मिलके.
मस्त. अभी लग रहा है कि अभी ट्रिप एक्चुअली मतलब अभी शुरू हुई,
तोबा तोबा थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
अभी शुरू हुई है. I guess this should be their official uniform, right? Can I check in myself also, like just to confirm? Sure. I do think it has whitened, yeah.
Because their teeth not bad before.
She's saying your teeth not bad before. Before it was 18, 20.
Yes, for now around 14 and 16.
Oh,
16 for a bit.
for canines.
Yes.
Yeah.
Around 2 shade, right? 2 to 3 shade.
Oh, so cool. Oh my god. Okay, this is the before, here's the after.
Yes.
Yeah, I do see some difference. Yeah. This is my teeth afterwards. It's so shiny, slightly whiter, not major difference. So मैंने बस level 1 कराया था. You can do like 3 layers and वो तो बहुत expensive हो जाता, almost like 15,000 तक जाता. तो मैंने सिर्फ एक ही level कराया है. My dentist friend told me to not do it too much because she's like, you don't need it. I think it looks nice. It's not that major. It is there though. I'm attaching the before after picture. Yay! After the teeth whitening, we are now going to the Chatuchak weekend market. I've heard so much about it, and even though I was kind of skeptical, I feel like maybe I might not get to do it because आज Sunday है. इसके बाद तो chance ही नहीं है. Currently, I'm at the Sky train station. We'll be getting like a ticket and हम फ़िलहाल Siam Square में हैं. So that जहाँ पे मैं गई थी teeth whitening के लिए, she only recommended that instead of getting a grab, just maybe take a Sky train. It's easier. You'll avoid traffic and it's also is faster. So let's go. Literally like Mumbai Metro. 41 baht laga हमको to get our ticket. Are you excited for the market?
Yes, I am.
We'll get magnets. He's gonna buy
Magnets
parents
for-
के घर के लिए. Because apparently I just broke the news to them that all the magnets that we bought, I'm gonna put it in my studio. So we started here and then 8 stations and then we go here. Bubble gum?
It's a Thai flower.
Thai flour? Nice. I'll get one bath bomb. We have a bathtub in our Airbnb, so. We were so hungry, straight up come to this restaurant called Toplu. I'll just leave the name. And we've called for some sweet potato fries. And because I'm Indian, उन्होंने हमें इंडिया का झंडा लगा के दिया है.
लायक है क्या?
And some cow soy vegetarian, which basically is like a huge bowl of noodles. उसके साथ fried noodles है, ऊपर beans है. There's a broth of like maybe I don't know,
coconut milk and spicy something.
spicy sauce and also tofu. How is it?
It's like chicken ka salan with a touch of
Flat noodle.
no coconut milk.
मास्टर शेफ किचन है.
It's
it
nice.
good
It's
though?
fun though. Yeah, it is.
The sweet potato fries are so good. मज़ा आ गया मुझे. I don't like coconut in my food.
The coconut is not very evident. Fun
It's
है.
really good. It's spicy. Maybe मैं भूखी हूँ तो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. I would not like it that much otherwise, but the food is good यार. यार दोनों चीज़ें अच्छी आई है.
नवंबर में बारिश हो रही है भाई थाईलैंड में.
Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day and I'm all set and ready. We are going to the floating railway market. Basically, boat में they take us in the lake. Plus, they show us the markets are literally right beside the railway track. It's going to be so fun. बज रहे हैं almost 7:30. 6:30 की उठी हुई हूँ मैं and I'm ready. Good morning. सावादिका.
Sorry.
We actually booked this via Airbnb and this is basically the itinerary. They give you a hotel pickup, then there's floating market, there's railway market, there's a banyan tree temple and then they again drop you off.
And so popular, a lot of Thai people come to the floating market, Damnan Sado floating market on the weekend as well. Yeah.
We stop crispy pancake. No, we don't have a head.
No, we finish with the
Just got done with the floating market. It was cute. I feel like it reminded me so much of the Dal Lake in Kashmir. Pata nahi, like that just was such a beautiful experience. This was also nice, not bad at all. The same thing, but the food, beverage, everything was just Thai. I think good experience, 100%. And now we are going to the railway market. I'm super excited for this one because I've never ever experienced something like that. It would be so thrilling to like be on the side of the railway track and see trains pass by and people like shop and stuff. So our tour guide was telling us how this is the original floating and railway market. Like the Thailand government has tried to duplicate it just for like tourism purpose and all, but this is the original one where people live here, they have businesses, and yeah, I mean it's more authentic. भाई का पागलपन है इधर. So we didn't get halal chicken for lunch, but we do have option of having this dessert, which is made out of coconut and also ice cream. It's like jelly rice. It's fun. I like it.
What is it called?
Yeah, we call khanom choy. Khanom that means dessert. Choy that means cup. Yeah, it's a Thai language. We call khanom choy. Yeah.
Khanom choy.
It's very local Thai dessert. I already eat it when I was very young. Everybody, Thai people eat it until now.
It's a
Modak.
yeah.
A few minutes later.
Post the railway market, I am now here at this very adorable cafe. I saw a reel on Instagram and it was about Littlewood, which is a baby goat cafe. Oh my god, I'm going nuts with how adorable this place is. I love the ambience, the aesthetics, and I can't wait to show you how beautiful it is. Oh, look at it! Using the Grab app to book our transport. For now, I've booked an eco motorbike just to have an experience.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, the goat cafe was amazing. We come back to the Airbnb and got dressed. It's our last night in Bangkok here, and obviously we're going to cover the iconic Icon Siam Mall. Basically, Souk Siam is the food market inside the mall. They have so much happening here, especially with respect to food, like street food and stuff. But I'm super excited to do this DIY miniature fridge magnet thingy. So let's go do that. These are all the elements, and we can make something so cute out of it. Definitely adding some rice and mango.
आपके मैंगो स्टिकी राइस के ऊपर अंडा क्यों है?
No, I mean we'll figure out. Oh.
Take this.
Kapun ka. Is it sweet or sour?
Mix.
Fun. It's orange, right? Sorry, it's grape, right?
बकवास है ग्रेप.
इसे इसलिए बोलते स्ट्रॉबेरी लो. ठीक है. द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टॉल्स है जिसमें हलाल चिकन मिलता है. एंड व्हाट वी गोना ट्राई सम ग्योजा. I want to have everything.
मैं फेंक के आती हूँ. It's time to dig in. I hope इसमें वो चिकनी वाली स्मेल नहीं हो जो तू बोल रही थी.
Yeah.
तू कर पहले ट्राई. बिग सिस्टर फर्स्ट. मेरा ब्लश ज़्यादा हो गया है क्या?
हाँ ये कर लो पहले.
So good.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
This sauce is also so nice.
Cheers.
Cheers. ऐसे लगा कुछ something healed in me. Because ये कब से बोल रही है कि इसको कुछ स्पाइसी खाना है, कुछ अच्छा खाना है. Because you were not able to find halal chicken जहाँ पे हम आज गए थे. कल ही आई है ना, अभी से ही इसको बटर चिकन और बटर नान चाहिए.
I want something spicy. यहाँ पे जितनी भी चीज़ें मैं खा रही हूँ, they are majorly sweet and bland. So I wanted something spicy and
This mall has too many options. Like food court है, सिया ये क्या है, इसको सुख सियाम बोलते. सुख सियाम में बहुत options है यार. Like you can't go home without having anything that you like.
So you come and have the halal gyoza.
Yay! So we thought we'll see the famous water fountain, but it has been cancelled because of the rains. Such a bummer. Why is it raining still in Thailand?
कौन सी वो शुभ घड़ी थी जिसमें आपने मेरी कुंडली लिखी?
We were expecting slow showers max to max, but slow shower तो बिल्कुल नहीं है ये. It's raining cats and dogs वाली बारिश है. कुछ और करते हैं अब, और क्या? Soaps in the shape of fruits that also smell like fruits. Wow. Smells like mango. Show the texture. Oh. How is it?
It's fun.
It's fun? Because the
Strawberry one was better.
I would say that. तो फ्रीज है ना, तो थोड़ा सा न्यूटेला जमा हुआ है, तो मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. I like the strawberry one better. Second day in Thailand, and my sister has gotten me to an Indian restaurant to have butter chicken.
उठा ले रे देवा, उठा ले रे बाबा.
I'm so disappointed. But low-key I was missing it too, because मैं 6 दिन से almost बैंकॉक में हूँ. So, but then मैं चला लेती. मैं आज भी मैंने सोचा था कि I'll eat maybe like a ramen or fried rice again, but कोशिश नाकामयाब.
So on the table we have some naans. We've ordered chicken tikka masala, classic. We've ordered some rice. There's complimentary papad and chutney that tastes like mojito. So, but let's see how exactly. I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
और चार से जो टेस्ट आ रहा है, it's not chicken tikka masala at all. The gravy is just somebody trying to copy a YouTube video and failing miserably. Also called for some seekh kebab. Please be good. Please be good. Like an 8 on 10, but yeah, better than the chicken tikka. It is the next day and we have left Bangkok. The next destination in Thailand that we are visiting is Chiang Mai for its Lantern Festival. So we've taken like a flight from Bangkok to Khon Kaen. We basically didn't get like a one flight, so हम लोग को 2 फ्लाइट से जाना पड़ेगा. इधर से हमें कॉन कैन जाएंगे, which is basically hardly like 1 hour flight, and then वहाँ से हमारा बहुत लंबा लेवर है 5 hours, and then कॉन कैन से हम जाएंगे डायरेक्टली चांग माई. आज का पूरा दिन एयरपोर्ट और फ्लाइट में निकल जाएगा, which is a little bummer, but the only reason why I stayed back to Thailand after the entire wellness retreat was for this festival, and I'm so excited to experience it. So we landed in Chiang Mai, got a grab, and it was not that difficult, honestly. We are on our way to our Airbnb. I feel so bad because पूरा दिन खत्म हो गया इसी चीज़ में.
8:01.
We have reached our Airbnb and मैं अभी आपको दिखाऊंगी, कुछ नहीं समझेगा. मैं कल आपको डेलाइट में दिखाती हूँ कैसा लगता है. It's one of those places that we've never stayed before. थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा है because it's literally मतलब we had to cross this entire खेत to come here. It's a little secluded area and all that we can hear is some night birds making noises and it's in the middle of green. पूरा ऐसे अंधेरा है. Yeah, so the plan is कि अभी बज रहे 8. We thought अभी फ़िलहाल कुछ है नहीं इतना खास करने के लिए, so we might as well just go get a spa. So we're going to this lane and वहाँ पे we'll get like a massage done. Chiang Mai में massages are way cheaper and better, so we want to try that. And then we'll have dinner, come back and sleep. That's literally the plan of today. आज इतना कुछ खास नहीं रखा है, so let's go. Massage time. How was it?
I can't feel my body.
Is it? Why? इतनी फ्री हो गई है.
मैं सो गई थी बीच मसाज में, so that's why this.
Bro, the stretching was out of this world.
काट कूट.
Is it? Too good.
Too good.
Hi guys, it is our first full day in Chiang Mai. And clearly we have underslept. I was just telling her how since the day I've landed in Thailand, मेरे सारे दिनों पे I had to wake up at 6:30 and I don't know when have I taken a 12-hour sleep the last few days. But the agenda for today is that we are going to. You tell us. What the hell are you zoned out?
We are going to an ethical elephant day. So basically we'll be making food for the elephants, we'll be bathing the elephants, we'll be playing with them, and it's ethical. So there are like two types of tours that happen. One which make you sit on the elephant, on the trunk, etc. That's something that we don't want to do because that's not good. Exactly. So we decided the other tour, which is going to be feeding them whatever. It's all cutesy. It's like, being very close to elephant and not treating them like animals.
They'll be in their natural habitat, in their home, and we go visit their home. We bathe them, we feed them, we take pictures, and just like spend time with them. We actually booked this via Airbnb. We're gonna leave it right here. So it's like an elephant sanctuary plus sticky waterfall tour, which is probably like a 5 to 6 hour thingy. Sticky waterfalls are really famous here, and I'm so excited to try it because apparently like you can climb the
Waterfall.
You can climb the waterfall because it's so sticky that it's easier, you don't fall off. And I think हम लोग बहुत टाइम से waterfall का प्लान कर रहे हैं, बट अभी फाइनली हमारा waterfall हो गया. ग्रीस में भी हमने ट्राई किया था बट नहीं हो पाया था. So I'm excited because I'm gonna be meeting the elephants.
Same.
They're the cutest animals ever.
हल्ला हल्ला बहुत आती
So
चलम
in this
चलम
entire tour, they actually pick you up from your hotel and then they take you around and post the whole activity. They also give you lunch. So I think we felt like it is the best thing to book when you're in different countries. So yeah.
Elephant eat a lot and they are vegetarian. They eat only vegetable fruit. So when elephant eat, elephant digest, eat and poop because it's not like a human or cow. Yeah, it cannot absorb much. They eat and then poop. Yeah, but elephant poo is like a fiber because of from the vegetable, from the banana.
Look at our tickets. This place is literally giving me life. It's such a nice vibe, all greens. There's like a pond with fishes. There's also a cafe. We have about 20 minutes for the next session. Tab tak we'll just have some coffee. I'm so sleepy. Called for some yogurt and ये ऐसे आया है. So cute.
It's made out of paper.
Poo paper. It's frozen.
It's like slushy.
Yeah. sorbet लग रहा है देख के ही उसको.
The reason the fiber is too small, very very small. And the elephant food are long fibers. Now we can make a lot of paper here. It means reuse and recycle. Use waste material to make the paper. What we want to do. When we soak in the drum to get them absorb more water. When they absorb more water, step 2, wash it off. That's the reason. Rinse it off here. Wash it off 1 and 2 and 3 here. Wash it off. When we wash it off, we do boiling. That we call poo soup. This one, poo soup, is to boil some bacteria. See? Need to cook like that 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours.
Until the fiber is soft and they kill some germ in the same time.
This process is just so like unique. Honestly, had no clue. Now we're gonna be making paper.
That's what we want to do here. Mix and the color. This machine mix together 2 hours. Elephant poo, recycle paper. The paper you already use one, reuse again. If you don't have the elephant poo paper, normal paper is okay. And that here mix together. How to get the color in the first place? The color we use the food color. That here food color like that. That here.
Let's go paper making.
Okay, you start with yellow one, okay? Here, this one person in there, one person over there. And you what we want to do, move this frame in the water like that and lock it up. And lock it up. And here, break the pool ball in half. Like that. Okay, break it in half. Okay. To the white one, so this one more over the bottom. Okay, good job.
You're not even giving some.
And we let the water is draining first. How long they gonna finish to drain? We're gonna running that one, leave like that half an hour and dry like that in the sun.
Oh.
See? But
dries
if
to
we
this.
have the sun, I'm not
From
promised
this-
we're gonna see
from
the
this.
sun today. And that is a little bit crowded.
Next step is to DIY our own bookmark. Now we decorate this with all these materials.
A few moments later.
We are now at the elephant's home. You see here people have gotten changed. We'll have to like change into something. ये लोग ही कपड़े देते हैं हमको. They'll give us a hat, they'll give us like a dress, and then we can feed them, we can bathe with them. I am so excited. Thank you.
You're welcome. Elephant riding, elephant show before, and now they rescue them. Just let them roam around. Some of them also born here.
Wow, so cute.
Clip ear like that, they also like cool them down, and also they are happy like a dog. And if they swing the tail, they are happy. But if they are angry, the tail gonna straight.
Oh.
We're making food for the elephants that we're going to feed them.
What else we have? On sticky rice, we gonna make vitamin bowl for them. So sticky rice is gonna make it bind sticky. Yeah. And this one from the hash, from the rice. And you know what is this?
Tamarind.
Yes, tamarind is sour. It's good for the elephant digestion. And do you know what is this?
Rock salt?
Salt? Sugar? Rock? Cocaine. Huh? Just kidding. Salt. Yes. So when we mix it together, elephant thirsty and drink more water. Yes. And then we gonna, because of this one banana is gonna make for the vitamin ball sweet. So elephant gonna eat it from the banana flavor.
The experience was so wholesome, so beautiful. I don't think I've experienced something like that. It was just so nice, but also बहुत डर लग रहा था, फट रही थी to even go closer. We've changed back to our OG outfit and now they've gotten us to a restaurant. The best part is कि हमारी tour guide ने हम सबके specification लिए. Like someone mentioned they have nut allergy, somebody mentioned they are vegan, and we mentioned that we eat halal meat. So हमको halal restaurant में लेके आई है. यहाँ पे we're gonna have lunch and yeah, I'm just so happy to be experiencing such offbeat things. Usually people just come to Thailand and do beaches and stuff, but this is something fun and nice, and I would highly recommend it because inka professionalism is on top. Everything is so systematic and organized. You get to learn so much. Like elephant in Thai is called chang. Maza aa gaya.
Chicken stir fry with cashew nut.
How's the food?
Too good. Looking at the place, I didn't expect it to be this good. I mean, I'm in shock.
Changed into swimsuit and now here for the sticky waterfall. Before we get into it, know why it's called sticky. Watch this.
Day by day and deposit calcium carbonate on the rock, on the dirt, and its cover become limestone waterfall.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so अभी plan है चाय बनाने का and to eat my burger. But let me go to my pantry and select some utensils quickly. Do we have a timer? तो एकदम लाफ्टर शेफ वाली फीलिंग आ रही है कि मैं पैंट्री में आई हूँ, सिलेक्ट माई बर्ता, सिलेक्ट माई स्टार।
टिक टिक 1, टिक टिक 2, टिक टिक 3।
कोई परफेक्ट नहीं लग रहा है। शेफ खोलो।
तू बल्ले बल्ले हो जाएगी बल्ले बल्ले।
Hi guys, good morning. Before I forget, let me show you the Chiang Mai Airbnb that we are staying in. It's a riverside villa and oh my god, it is literally surrounded by lush greens. You see butterflies around you. There are like beautiful flowers, birds chirping, and it's a huge villa that comes along with a guest villa as well. There are about 3 bedrooms, 5 beds. It's so beautiful, something that we've never stayed in before. Today is the day. It is the Lantern Festival day. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I've woken up so happy and I'm gonna quickly get ready for it. Oh my god, pinch me. So we basically book like a full day tour from Get Your Guide, and even though the Lantern Festival, like the proper throwing the lantern in the sky happens after sunset, they pick you up early around like 1:30 in scorching heat because it happens away from the city. You're not supposed to fly these lanterns in the city, one because it is a little risky, you know, for like airplanes and stuff, plus लोगों के घर वर जलने का बहुत चांस होता है. यहाँ पे wooden houses है, so आग लगने के बहुत chances है, and that's why all of these festivals now have very strict rules where they take you to a spot which is like 2 hours away from the city, and that's what they're going to do with us as well. So we'll leave like around 1:30. It will be scorching heat, so obviously I'm going to start off with some sunscreen, and my ride or die is the Plum 2% niacinamide and rice water hybrid sunscreen. I literally take this on every trip. You've seen me talk about it in the past as well, but the best part is the fact that it is so lightweight, and it also kind of moisturizes my skin at the same time, leaving it glowy and dewy. And the fact that it also helps reduce tan is something that I am obsessed with, because you will get tan on a beach vacation, and a sunscreen that just helps you reduce it is the it game for me. It beautifully blends into the skin without leaving any form of white cast, just pure glow. You see that? This is SPF 50 PA+++, and because it has niacinamide, it also helps brighten the skin, reduce blemishes. It also controls excess oil production, which is something my oily skin craves for, and it's a hybrid sunscreen, which means that it has both physical and chemical sun filters. So your skin is not just protected from the harmful UVA, UVB rays, but this hero right here silently works against dullness, blemishes, dark spots, and so much more. I love how my skin instantly looks plump after applying this sunscreen, like it's drank 8 liters of water instantly. Quickly did my makeup. I specifically made this dress from Avra Attire for today, and let's get into it.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we booked this experience via Get Your Guide. काफ़ी महंगा पड़ा हमको, because obviously it's an expensive festival. They know that people will pay for it irrespective. So about 22,000 per person करके हमने ये पूरे दिन का बुक किया है. सबसे पहले they asked us to meet at the pickup point, which was this PHIP University. फिर यहाँ से there are shuttles that go every 5 minutes. So right now we just headed to that, and I'll take you around. At the queue, you guys, and it's different for premium. It's different for standard. हम standard वाले सब इधर खड़े हैं. ये सब premium वाले हैं. So we basically are going to first show our ticket. We'll get a band as per our, you know, whatever we've chosen. हमको standard वाले को orange मिलेगा. उसके बाद बस में जाना है, and then they'll take us to the venue. We are finally in our shuttle after waiting for 45 minutes. उसके बीच में बारिश हुई है, कड़कती धूप हुई है, and our stupid ass has not got an umbrella और fan, जबकि सब कुछ है हमारे पास. बट मेरा दिमाग बस ये चल रहा था कि all the electronics I have to take, like tripod लेना है, कैमरा लेना है, ये लेना है, वो लेना है. बाकी सर्वाइवल के लिए कुछ नहीं लिया है, सिर्फ जो भी होगा वो मरते मरते वीडियो आ जाएगी. 48 minutes in the shuttle to finally reach here. Have finally entered the festival. We got this physical ticket, and now let's explore the most beautiful festival in the world. And now I am back at the airport again. भाई पैकिंग एंड पैकिंग करने में ही मेरी हालत ख़राब हो गई है. बट अभी हमारा लास्ट स्टॉप है इन थाईलैंड एंड वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर फुकेत. मुझे नहीं पता हम कैसे करेंगे क्योंकि फुकेत तो आधा पानी में है. लाइक रील्स कल तक भी यही आ रही थी कि फुकेत डूब रहा है, गाड़ियाँ नहीं चल पा रही है, दे आर कवर्ड विथ वाटर, इट्स फ्लडेड एवरीवेयर. सो आई डोंट नो कैसे होगा क्या होगा, बट अभी हमने सब बुक कर लिया है. मतलब अभी कोई चांस ही नहीं है. द मैक्स दैट वी कैन डू इज़ जस्ट चिल इन अ रिजॉर्ट बिकॉज वो भी बीच के पास है. बिकॉज आई डोंट नो अभी हम क्या करेंगे. सो राइट नाउ अगेन वी हैव टू टेक अ फ्लाइट फ्रॉम चिंग माई टू कॉनकैन एंड कॉनकैन में फिर से 4-5 घंटे का ले ओवर है, वहाँ पे टाइम पास करना है. एंड देन हम फुकेत पहुँचेंगे. आज का दिन भी वेस्ट होने वाला है बिकॉज बाय द टाइम वी रीच इट विल बी लाइक 7:38. लिटरली थाईलैंड में 10 बजे सब कुछ बंद हो जाता है. The Khon Kaen airport does not have restaurants and I'm hungry. Let's go get our lunch from 7-Eleven. Picking up my ramen, spicy chicken fingers to go with it, slice of cheese and seaweed chicken roll, and finally some chocolate cake for dessert. Basically coupons that you get and each coupon has like a number, 1 baht, 3 baht. You can give this instead of money. Hi guys, good morning from Phuket and I am all set and ready. Let me show you what this Airbnb looks like. It's a really beautiful 1 BHK Airbnb and it has a private pool. The best part, it is so close to the beach that you can literally like just go out, get a dip, and then there are like restaurants literally lag ke matlab चिपक के ही रेस्टोरेंट्स है विच इज़ अमेजिंग. दीज पीपल ऑल्सो गिव यू लाइक फ्री ट्रांसफर्स टू 3 to 4 रेस्टोरेंट्स नियर बाय विच इज़ अमेजिंग. देयर इज़ लाइक मसाज इनसाइड, यू कैन बुक टूर्स विद देम. I love the vibes here. It's literally giving me all things tropical. It's so beautiful. कुछ तो चल के we are here for breakfast and this is what the view looks like. How pretty! Breakfast with a view होने वाला है. Breakfast is done. We were actually shooting something in the property for Airbnb and now हम जा रहे हैं kayaking करने के लिए. हमारे resort में ही they have all the materials from lifeguard to their kayak. तो अभी बीच पे थोड़ी देर हम kayak करेंगे and then maybe we'll change and go out. Excited. Crazy लग रहा है बाडू.
Later.
Ready and now headed to the Flamingo Beach Bar. They send us this buggy. I told you guys that they give like a free pickup to certain restaurants and this one is also on the list. It actually rained a few minutes ago. अभी थोड़ा सा सब जगह पे गीला है. But I just hope that it doesn't rain now because फिर बीच क्लब पे क्या वाइब आएगी. The sticky rice is pink, matching the aesthetics of the cafe. Let's try this out. I've literally tried 7-8 जगह का mango sticky rice at this point.
And you want another one now or after you finish it? Yes.
Actually really good. The rice is salty and then the sweet coconut milk and mango just makes it a perfect sweet salty combo. Beach bar के बाद we went and changed and now we are here to explore our first night market together and it's called the Naka Night Market.
यहाँ पे सस्ते खाना, सस्ता shopping and souvenirs वगैरह मिलता है. So they were like, this is a huge market, you need to go and it's a night market. So we almost have like 3-4 hours, I don't know. लोग की night बहुत जल्दी खत्म होती है.
Because आज weekend भी है, today is a Saturday basically, so it will be kind of happening. I'm really looking forward to shop क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक इतने टाइम में सिर्फ एक चप्पल खरीदी है एंड फ्रिज मैग्नेट खरीदा. मेरे को शॉपिंग करनी है एंड टेक लाइक स्टफ फॉर माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो. उन्होंने भी ऐसे लिस्ट दी है, ये लेके आ वो लेके आ. सो लेट्स सी एंड लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इट.
Yes, bye.
Make huh? Not same like that. Same like that.
Make 350 last. Do it.
Okay. That one too, huh?
1 second. Want the same color or
Same color.
Oh,
Same color.
I have only one.
One.
I know too much money. Only one color.
oh one piece only.
I know have too much stock. Yeah. Have only one color.
Guys, look at this calculator. मतलब shopping छोड़ो, मुझे तो ये चाहिए. Thank you. What are these? These are mini phones or what? These are portable chargers? He's quoting 2,200 baht, which is so expensive in INR.
ये भी है.
But it's like a proper real phone that you can put your SIM card in and you can use it. Oh my god. YouTube. Damn. Actually ended up buying this 17 Pro Max for 1,500 baht.
ये हो एकदम.
Halal. Halal find. हाँ बैठ के खाते हैं. Hi guys, good morning. It is the next day. Ready and I am all set to go on the Fifi Island tour. We actually booked this experience from Airbnb. इसमें वो लोग हमको 8 घंटे तक घुमाएंगे on a speed boat, which I am really scared about क्योंकि it kind of makes you seasick, even though they did give us like a seasick medicine. I think it should be fine. It's basically like an 8-hour long tour. They take us to different islands. We'll see beautiful landscapes, water, fishes, corals, so much on the way. They also have halal food. And that is actually the reason why we booked it, because इस tour में halal food था. सुबह सुबह हम आ गए इधर. They gave us like a light breakfast and now we'll wait for our boat and then we'll depart.
PP Dawn Island, okay? So, from Phuket to PP Dawn Island, it takes time around 1 hour, okay? The first place of the PP Dawn Island, I will take everybody to see monkey.
Oh.
We're gonna go to Monkey Bay or Monkey Beach. But, so... area around there, there are hotels, resort, bungalow, restaurant, and souvenir shop. So after lunch, you can walk around to shopping. Maya Beach is very famous place of Thailand. So Maya Beach is one of the most beautiful beach of Thailand because it's a white sand beach. The sand is very soft like the powder.
Eventually.
Okay, so we came back, showered, and now we are all set to go to Phuket Old Town Market. It is basically something that only happens on Sundays, and we've seen so many articles and reels about it. Even though हमको कुछ लेना देना है नहीं ज़्यादा कुछ, हमारे पास पैसे भी नहीं बचे हैं अभी, 1-2 नोट बची है. Let's see, but we're just going to see what the hype is about and. How much ever I've seen पिक्चर से तो बहुत ऐसे अच्छा लगता है, एकदम ही ओल्ड टाउन, ओल्ड फुकेत, ओल्ड थाईलैंड वाइब्स है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज एंड इफ इट्स वर्थ इट आई शो इट टू यू. Fun. द नेक्स्ट डे. नहा धो के हम फिर से निकल गए हैं बाहर. आज हमने बुक किया है एयरबीएनबी से सर्फिंग एक्सपीरियंस, वेयर 2.5 घंटे का ये पूरा सेशन होगा. अ प्रोफेशनल विल टीच अस हाउ टू सर्फ एंड वी विल राइड आवर फर्स्ट वेव. It's crazy. I'm a little nervous because it's something that I've never done before, but it would be so fulfilling and so वो accomplishment वाली जो feeling आने वाली है after we do it. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I think it's a great experience. अगर आप बाहर आ रहे हो and you want to learn it, nothing like it. Swimsuit ही पहना है मैंने. मेरा, you guys might have just seen me in this swimsuit too much. It's just so pretty and modest. चलो चले. The amount of lady drivers that have come to pick us up, and that lady in us just gets so proud and happy. It's so cute. We get excited when we get to know कि oh, the one who's coming to pick us up is a woman, and sometimes it's someone as young as 22-year-old. Sometimes it's someone who is 40 but doesn't look like 40. Only in Thailand. Thank you.
Thank you.
And how was it?
Amazing. Like, I'm a water baby and I feel like this is one of the best things that I've done, and I was not scared क्योंकि मैं snorkeling में मैं fishes से डरती हूँ, so I don't do that. But it was so good, but इतना tiring था, पूरा body अभी दुखने वाला है because we fell so many times on the bum, on the hand, and पूरा वो पैडल करने का पूरा वो प्रोसीजर में, रुकने का प्रोसीजर में बहुत हाथ पैर दुख रहे हैं and अभी दुखने वाले हैं. So
Yeah, like even now that I'm holding my camera, मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है. बहुत ज़्यादा muscle and core strength लगती है for this.
Yeah.
And halfway through only my muscles were paining. I literally asked my trainer कि मेरे को 2 मिनट का break चाहिए. But I think in the beginning I almost like gave up क्योंकि हो ही नहीं रहा था. I kept falling. The videos that you guys see are just our best performances. Like there have been so many falls उसके पहले, and I was like bro ये नहीं होगा. मतलब मैं इसको बोलना थी कि no, I don't want to do it. But then something in my mind there was like a voice that why not, like just give it a shot. It's a challenge, and for someone who doesn't like water, I don't enjoy the beaches or the water. मेरे लिए स्टार्ट में तो बॉडी को लूज छोड़ना ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. लाइक माई ट्रेनर वाज टेलिंग मी स्टॉप थिंकिंग
relax.
या इवन दो उनकी इंस्ट्रक्शंस हमको नहीं समझते. मेरे को तो नहीं समझ रहा था मेरा वाला, बिकॉज
नहीं मेरा वाला बहुत प्रिसाइज था.
तो मेरे वाले को इतनी इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी, सो ही यूज्ड टू जस्ट टेल मी 1 2 come back, come front, come back, come back. ये 4 words
Yeah,
उसने
मेरे
use
वाले
किए.
ने तो
And then if
पूरा-
I would do nicely, he would just do this.
Yeah, he was the one that trained me. वो बंदा प्रॉपर्ली देख रहा था कि मेरे लेग स्ट्रेंथ, लेग का डिस्टेंस कितना है, मैं कितना टाइम ले रही हूँ फ्रॉम वन लेग टू अनदर लेग पुट. तो मुझे हर एक साइकिल पे वो मुझे बोल रहा है कि तेरा देख ये गलत था, डू दिस नाउ, डू बेटर.
Oh, makes sense. मेरा वाला इतना मुझे क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दे रहा था. It was just like I had to like understand myself कि oh shit अभी तुझे ये next time better करना है. But I think an amazing experience. Like you,
That's true.
it's such a liberating experience to be honest. कि you just see people doing it and then you actually ride your first wave.
Yeah.
And in future maybe we'll do better and you know do it एकदम properly like people do in the movies. But yeah, I would highly recommend it. It was
Me too.
such a thumbs up. फिर से शावर ले लिया है. पहले तो मैं नहा के थक चुकी हूँ
मैं तो थक गई भाई साहब.
एट दिस पॉइंट. एंड अभी हम बस जा रहे हैं हमारे रिजॉर्ट में थोड़े पिक्चर्स और वीडियोस क्लिक करने के लिए. इट्स सो प्रीटी गाइस. just grabbed to call for some halal food, and now we are watching Big Boss.
कंट्रोलिंग हो
Yes.
उसे ही लग जाता है वो जल्दी हो जाता है वो डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट नो लाइक
The next day.
And we are back at the airport, but this time to go back home. The Thailand trip is officially over for me. So yeah, that was it for this trip, and I know that you guys are waiting for the final budget that we've spent. So we're gonna leave it on the screen right here. I think it was quite a budget trip, just that थोड़ा फ्लाइट टिकट्स एक्सपेंसिव हो गया था बिकॉज हमने बहुत लास्ट मिनट बुक किया. बट आई थिंक अगर आप पहले करोगे तो वही आपको टिकट्स ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 हज़ार में कम में मिलेगी. इट्स अ वेरी बजट डेस्टिनेशन. अंदर भी इतना कुछ महंगा नहीं है. इफ़ यू वांट टू यू कैन मेक इट अ बजट ट्रिप एज वेल. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
and don't forget to stick around. Bye.